Welcome to the new Mohawk Connects. When you go to mohawkconnects.com, this is our new homepage. Here you'll be able to log into your account if you have one, register for an account if you're not registered with us yet, see your shopping cart, see a little bit about what Mohawk is up to right now by clicking through some of these ads. You can see what's new on the blog here, what's happening with us on Twitter, and then if you're a printer, designer, one of our merchants, a small business, or interested in Make Ready, you can go to landing pages off of these links here to take you to specific content. On the left-hand side here, you'll see item number search. You'll see a keyword search. And you'll also be able to shop for any of our various products in a lot of different ways. First, we're going to take you to our registration page. When you register, you'll want to click on the retail registration. Merchant registration happens separately with our sales force. So you'll click on this link and this is our registration page. Here you'll fill out your name, your title, your company, phone number, email. Anything with an asterisk next to it is required information for us. You'll be able to create your password, and if you'd like to opt in to email communications at the same time, you can do that here. Once you fill out all of that information, you'll just click this register button. If you've already got an account, you can log in at any time by clicking on this link right here. Again, you'll want to click on that retail login link, and you'll be taken to this page. All you have to do is enter your email and your password and click the login button. If you were previously registered with MohawkPaperStore.com, your account will already be set up and ready for you to use at the new Mohawk Connects. The other thing that we want to point out is keyword search. This is a new feature for MohawkConnects.com. You just type in what you're looking for. You can search our whole site, or you can search just products, just support and FAQ questions, or just our tutorials. You can close out of this, and you can access that at any time. And if you're looking for a specific item number to order, you can also enter that here and search by paper, envelopes, substrates, our swatch books, or any of our promotions. These left and right-hand navigation buttons will be available to you at any time that you're in our site. If you visited MohawkPaperStore.com, these selectors will look somewhat familiar to you. We've added a separate envelope selector, a digital product selector. You can search by digital press, search by color. You can find our samples, and then you can also see what's going on with our streamlined products. When you click on this envelopes button, you'll get taken to this selector. There are two ways that you can search, either basic or advanced. And you'll be able to order any of our in-stock envelope items through here. Another great new tool on Mohawk Connects is the Color Selector. Using this Color Selector, you can search any of our paper and envelope products by picking your own palettes. When you get to the selector, you can search by color families by clicking any of these icons up here. You can search by specific product lines, or you can search by finishes. You can also zoom in and out of this table here to see color chips. And you can drag and drop different colors over to your palette here to get a sense of what those shades would look like together. If you don't like that palette, you can go ahead and clear here. Another way you can use this color selector is by just clicking within these chips here. If you don't like the options that you've chosen, or you've selected a chip accidentally, you can just clear all, and it will update your results for you. This logo will take you back to the homepage at any time while you're in our site. Up here is where you'll find our primary navigation, where you can find information about our paper and products, which includes fine papers, digital products, and envelopes. Here you'll find information about digital print, The design library is a great resource. It'll give you information about the Mohawk Show, featured projects, tutorials, and do-it-yourself templates. Community has different ways to stay connected with Mohawk and different ways to stay connected with people in your own area. And company has all the information about Mohawk that you would need to know. If you scroll down, you'll see our footer down at the bottom. When you roll over any of these links here, you can see everything pop right up for you. Here we have surface information about company again. This is where you'll find all of our environment information. You can find information on support, how to contact us, different FAQs, glossary terms, and our shipping and return policies. Again, you can find more ways to connect with us, whether it's opting into our email blasts, seeing what events we have coming up, or finding us on social media. Here's a section for more tools and resources like the environmental calculator, our PDF library, logos, converting services, and you can also find links to all of the other Mohawk sites in our ecosystem here. When you move your cursor up off the footer, you can see that the footer goes right back down and you can easily navigate the rest of the page again. When you go under paper and products, you can find information about our fine papers, Mohawk and Strathmore brands, our digital products, which is digital fine papers, house sheets, and our new specialty substrates, and then also envelopes. When you click on this fine papers link, you can find more links to product customization and then links to all of our different grades that we offer. If you were to click on one of these links, it takes you to a great page that talks about that gives you information about that specific grade and also photos. You can get a little write up here. You get to see the environmental attributes. You can download stock charts, and you can also shop only for those grade items by using these drop downs. When you click on a drop down and then hit shop, you'll be taken to search results where you can buy any of those items. All of our paper grade pages will also show you all of the envelope styles that are offered in that matching grade. To get more information about envelopes, you can go to our envelope landing page. You can download our current envelope guide. You can see all of the different envelope styles that Mohawk offers and learn a little bit more about what each of those styles. You can learn a little bit more about each of those envelope styles. You can look at envelopes by grade. So that means for any of our grades we offered, you can find information just about those specific envelopes that are offered in that grade. The design library is a huge resource for our design audience. In this library, we'll show you different featured projects. We'll give you different case studies to take a look at, information about the Mohawk Show, and then also templates to download for do-it-yourself. You can see links to a lot of that information here on the landing page, or you can scroll up, click on Design Library, and go to any of the Mohawk Show featured projects, tutorials, or do-it-yourself landing pages as well. If you click in Featured Projects, you'll be able to see projects broken down by paper grade, type, producer, different types of projects, and different vertical markets. It's a great place to find information when you're looking to start your next project. In tutorials, we have 6 different categories of articles to help you in all of your design and printing projects. There are videos on different digital topics, and you can see all of those categories right here. We'll give you information on getting started for your next project and with pre-press, how to get better results while you're on press, information about envelopes, and then also letterhead systems. When you scroll down, you'll see a short intro to any of the tutorials, and then to read the article or watch the video, all you have to do is click view. And the last section in the design library is the do-it-yourself section. This has got a lot of great templates for you to download anytime you're doing an envelope project. If you're looking for a die line or a size, we've got pocket folder templates for any panoramic projects that you're doing. And then also we've got some templates for our new embedded specialty digital projects. And the last thing we want to show you today is the Find a Printer Designer tool. This is a great resource for you if you're looking for a printer or if you'd like to list yourself and your services as a designer. Thanks again for visiting Mohawk Connects.